Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use an oxygen tank at home. First, let's prioritize safety. Always keep your oxygen tank upright and secured to prevent it from tipping over. It's crucial to maintain a safe distance of at least 5 feet from any heat sources, open flames, or electrical appliances. Absolutely no smoking should occur near the oxygen equipment. Good ventilation in the room is also very important for your well-being. Now, let's get your equipment ready. Begin by securely connecting the regulator to the oxygen tank valve, ensuring a snug fit. Next, attach your nasal cannula or oxygen mask to the regulator's oxygen outlet. Double-check all connections to confirm they are tight and leak-free. Finally, adjust the flow meter to the specific liter flow prescribed by your doctor, which is typically between 1 and 5 liters per minute. With your equipment set up, it's time to use your oxygen. If using a nasal cannula, gently insert the prongs into your nostrils. For an oxygen mask, place it over your nose and mouth, securing it comfortably with the elastic strap. Breathe normally and deeply, allowing the oxygen to flow. Remember to regularly check the oxygen level gauge on your tank so you know when it's time for a refill or replacement. Proper maintenance ensures your oxygen therapy remains effective. Clean your nasal cannula or mask regularly with mild soap and water, allowing it to air dry completely. Periodically inspect the tubing for any kinks, cracks, or damage, and replace it if necessary. Store any spare oxygen tanks in a cool, dry, and well-ventilated space, away from direct sunlight. If you encounter any equipment malfunctions, always contact your oxygen supplier immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.